Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 10th class. How are you, dear students? Dear students, today we will discuss about the simultaneous equations of exercise 2.7 from Punjab Textbook Board, Bahawalpur, class 10th. My dear students, simultaneous equations actually are the equations which have the same solution set. They are more than one equations. Okay. So the equations which share the common solution set are known as the simultaneous equation. We will solve these equations at a time. Okay. The question statement is that solve these simultaneous equation, and the question number 2 is given 3x minus 2y is equals to 1 and x square plus xy minus y square is equals to 1. My dear students, you can see that there are two equations are given. This is linear equation and this is quadratic form. And first of all, we will write these equations and name this equation as equation 1 and equation 2. And after that, from any one equation, we can find the value of x or y as you wish. But we will consider equation number 1 to find the value of x. Dear students, you can find the value of y also. Okay. How can we find the value of x? First of all, we will write minus 2y to the right hand side and it will becomes 1 plus 2y, and then we will divide the equation by 3 and then we will get the value of x which is equals to 1 plus 2y by 3. Name this equation, this is equation number 3. We have derived equation number 3 from equation 1. So we will put this equation in equation 2. Remember this point, this is very important point. If we will derive equation number 3 from equation 1, then we will put it in equation 2. And if we will derive equation 3 from equation 2, then we will put it in another equation. So put equation number 3 in equation number 2. Wherever we have x, then we will put 1 plus 2y by 3 here. So this is x square, so we will put 1 plus 2y by 3 whole square plus 1 plus 2y by 3 means this is xy minus y square is equals to 1. So we will use the formula a plus 2b, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and 3 square is 9, and y will multiply with the numerator, y ones are y, and 2y into y is equals to 2y square minus y square is equals to 1. We will divide the equation by 9 and we will get answer is 1 plus 4y plus 4y square. 3 will be cancelled by 3 is a 9. So 3y and 3 2 is a 6y square and minus 9y square is equals to 9. We will multiply each term by 9. Now we will combine the like terms, y square plus y square, 6y square plus 4y square is equals to 10y square minus 9y square equals to y square. Like this, 4y plus 3y, 7y, 9, we will write 9 here, minus 9 plus 1 equals to minus 8. So we will solve this equation with the factorization method, and after the break the midterm. So we will get the values of y with that factorization method. There are possible values of y. Y is equal to minus 8 and y is equals to 1. Now dear students, we have two values of y. So we will put these two values of y in equation 1, 2 and 3 as you wish. Okay, but we will consider equation 1, but you can also put these values of y in equation 2 and 3 also. Answer will be the same. Put y is equals to minus 8 in equation 1. This is equation 1, 3x minus 2y is equals to 1, and put the other value of y which is 1 in equation 1 again. So when we will put the equation value of y is equals to minus 8 in equation 1, then we will, after solution, we will get 3x minus plus 2 8s are 16 is equals to y, 3x is equals to y, 1 minus 16, 3x is equals to minus 15, and we will divide the equation by 3 and get x is equals to minus 5. When we will put the value of y is equals to 1 in equation 1, then we will get the value of x is equals to 1. Now my dear students, now this is the time to write the solution set. In our solution set, this is a little bit different. We will write the answer in ordered pairs. First of all, we will write the value of x. When x is minus 5, then y is minus 8. Okay, and when x is 1, then y is also 1. So this is the solution set of the simultaneous equation. Now move to question number 5. This is x square plus y minus 1 whole square is equals to 10. This is equation 1. X square plus y square plus 4x is equals to 1. First of all, we will write this equation and then we will remove the bracket by using the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. And then we will write this value. We will solve this equation like this: x square plus y square minus 2y is equals to 10 minus 1, which will become x square plus y square minus 2y is equals to 9. This is equation number 1, my dear students. And we will write that equation as it is. There is no need to simplify this. And now there are two equations are written here over here, and now we can easily compare that if we will subtract equation 2 from 1, then we will simplify this equation. So subtract equation 2 from 1, write equation 1 first and then equation 2 under the equation 1. In case of subtraction, we will change the sign of the last of the second equation. So plus x minus x square will be cancelled, plus y square minus y square will be cancelled. This will be minus 4x minus 2y, and this is 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. So we have the values of equation which is equals to minus 4x minus 2y is equals to 8. We will divide the equation by 2 and we will get the answer minus 2x minus y is equals to 4. So we will find the value of y, which will becomes minus 2x minus 4, which is equation number 3. Now we will put the value of, this is a simplification, simple value of y. So we will put value of y which is equals to minus 2x minus 4 in equation 1 or 2 as you wish. But we will put this equation of equation 3 in equation number 1. Okay. So equation number 1 is x square plus y square minus 2y is equals to 9. So my dear student, we will put the value of y, which is minus 2x minus 4 whole square minus 2 minus 2x minus 4 is equals to 9. We will solve the bracket by using the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab, and we will multiply this 2 by each terms inside the bracket. And after that we will combine the values. X square plus 4x square is equals to 5x square. 16x plus 4x is 20x. 16 minus 1 is equals to 15. So we will divide the equation by 5 and get x square plus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. And now we will factorize this equation by midterm break. 3x plus x is equals to 4x. So we will take this x as common and we will get the value of x, which is equals to minus 3, and the value of x, second value of x is equals to minus 1. Now this is the time to put the value of x is equals to minus 3. This is minus 3, dear student. This is minus 3. We will put the value of x minus 3 in any equation 1, 2 or 3. But equation 3 is simple, so we will put equation x is equals to minus 3 in the equation 3. Equation 3 is y is equals to minus 2x minus 4, which will becomes minus 2 minus 3 minus plus 3 to the 6 minus 4. So value of y is 2. When we will put the value of x is equals to minus 1 in equation number 3. So y is equals to minus 2x minus 4. Y is equals to minus 2. X value of x is minus 1. So put over here minus 1. Minus minus plus 2 ones are 2 minus 4. Plus minus minus 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Sign of the greater value. So value of y is equals to minus 2. Now my dear students, you can observe that whenever the value of x is minus 3, then value of y is equals to 2. Minus 3, then value of y is equals to 2. And whenever value of x is equals to minus 1, then the value of y is equals to minus 2. So we will write the solution set of this simultaneous equation, and this is the answer of this equation.